Hello and welcome to the Windows 10 crash course. In this video, we're going to be giving you an overview of Maps. This is the all-new and updated Maps. Hello and welcome to the Windows 10 crash course. In this video, we're going to be overviewing that of Maps, the new Windows Maps application within Windows 10, allowing you to get great GPS locations and directions, all within the new mapping tool that they've packed into Windows 10. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So to access Maps, it's as easy as going ahead and typing it into Cortana, for example, and you can see here you automatically will have this Maps app by default. And this is a great app for you to go ahead and navigate around. And you're going to see here it's going to ask you if you wanted to get access to your location and location history. In this case, we can go ahead and say yes if we wanted to. And again, you can get directions around. You can see locations around the world, of course, or just use it for your own personal usage, like I said, navigating local places, setting up favorites, seeing 3D city views, and more. So there's a couple things you can do here. In the left-hand interface, it's your panel. This is where you mainly navigate certain features. For example, you can open up the menu and expand it here. You have the map view. You have the ability to search here, of course. And you can search for not just places, but also like restaurants, shopping centers, museums, hotels, coffee. You can also go and, of course, do directions. So you can set directions point A to B and additional options here so you can avoid traffic, toll roads, ferries, etc. You can see how long it would take by car, transit, or walking. You can see your favorite places here and also 3D city views. You can actually see 3D city views. So, for example, this is really cool. If I click on one of these places, so Abington, for example, go ahead and click on this. This gives us all, this is data from Microsoft and using that in Bing Maps collaboration here. So we're going to go ahead and see a 3D view using Bing here of a city. And again, this takes some time to load, but you can see here it's a really, really high-tech view here. So it's a really fun thing to do to go around if you're either just trying to get directions or an overview of places. So for example, you can see now it's showing me some things that may be relevant. I can see nearby things that I can eat and drink, see and do, shop, hotels, banks, parking, etc. So very, very useful. On the right here, you have some other options. You have the ability to rotate map. You have the ability to go back to a 2D view, show your location currently, choose a map view, as well as zoom in or zoom out by using the plus and minus signs. So it's that easy to go ahead and jump to a 3D city view. Let's go ahead and go back to the maps view here, and we'll actually expand the menu. Let's say we want to search for something. So let's say I just want to search for Los Angeles, for example. I can go ahead and search for that and automatically get my results. And you can see just like this, it's going to go ahead and jump back to a new view here of Los Angeles. And you can see now have all these options of Los Angeles. And again, I can easily navigate the things here. Now you also have the option, like I said, to favorite certain places, and this all syncs with that of your Microsoft account, as you can see here in the bottom. You have the ability to share out a place. So let's say you want to share out a pin or a location that you want to give to a friend. And you can also pin to start. So if you want to pin this location to start, now when I go into my start menu, I have the Los Angeles pin right here. I can just click on it and it automatically take me to this specific location. So that's useful if you want a shortcut to a specific place within your start menu, easily accessible here. Of course, directions, if you're trying to get from one place to another, you can easily input these from point A to B. And again, you can view all your favorites in one place here. So you can see you can get to places faster, whether they're restaurants or what have you. So we can, again, navigate restaurants. We'll go into restaurants here, and it'll show us all the restaurants within the given location that we may have set here. And then we can get even more information regarding that restaurant. So we'll see Yelp reviews. We can get directions to it, see pictures of the food, a street side view, and websites and an overview and much, much more here. So again, really, really all in one place for you to kind of get information about things going on around you. Of course, directions, new places to eat. And you can, of course, go into your settings here to adjust more things. So, for example, you have your general settings. You can set your units by feet and miles, preferred directions if it's driving, transit, or walking. You can save a location here. You can download or update offline maps, which is really useful as well, because this allows you to essentially, not get lost when you're not on a, for example, 3G connection if you're on a mobile device or what have you, if you have no Wi-Fi. This allows you to get access to offline maps, which is really, really useful. You can also have it set what you search for. You can turn that on or off. You can delete your history. And, of course, you have the ability to adjust your privacy settings. So you can open your location settings. This will take you to your settings panel. This is just really useful in the sense of if you're really concerned about your privacy and what it's tracking as far as your GPS location or Wi-Fi-based location, then you can choose manually what it can track and what it cannot track. Again, this Maps app is really fully featured. It's definitely worth checking out. And if you're just looking for directions, you're looking to get to a new place, you're looking at a city around you for that matter, definitely check out the new Maps app within Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out future videos in the Windows 10 Crash Course, and we'll catch you in the next one.